Taylor Airport, automated weather observation 1254 Zulu weather. Wind 140 at 4 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000 feet. Temperature 7 Celsius. 2.1 Celsius. Altimeter 3037 inches of mercury.
All right, everybody, welcome to Taylor, Arizona for day 2 of this trip. Right now, just letting the engine oil warm up, just got fuel, so as soon as we're ready to go, we'll jump up in the air and head towards Belen, New Mexico. All right, just about time for the run-up, so we'll do that, and then we'll get out of here. Taylor traffic's for November 8 November is now departing runway 21, left turn out to the west, east, Taylor. Alright, so here we go, off to Belen, New Mexico. Alright, so we're just coming up on the St. John's VOR, so that fits us about, I
27 Center America 2026.
puts us a good, probably a quarter of the way there. So after this, make a turn up to Belen, New Mexico, and should be landing there probably about another, probably an hour and a half. So anyways, get you guys here in a little bit. Alright, so we're level 9,500 feet, we're in route to Belen. So yeah, making 86 knots ground speed. But yeah, indicated is right at 2,079. Not a lot going on today, just cruising out there. Not my best landing, but it'll work.
Now, welcome to Belen, New Mexico. Welcome to Tucumcari. That was bumpy. But I think I got another hour in me today. If that's the case, I can get all the way up to Liberal, Kansas. So, let me show you Tucumcari. Dalhart, Texas. Over halfway done. I should be able to get there tomorrow, no problem. What a bumpy day. Anyways, catch you guys later.